we can sort of interpret the candidate, the man, to the folks, to the communities. I think certainly the way of the folks in my home state of Texas, if they just want to see and judge and assess and weigh the people who are asking for the top jobs, and since the candidates can't get to every community and can't see everybody, well, his wife and kinfolks can give them a little more of an idea of what kind of a human being he is, what kind of a public servant he's been, and they can expect him to be in the future. I think it serves that